As your advertising and analytics needs grow, so does the complexity of tracking user interactions on your site. That's where Google Tag Manager comes in. Better known as GTM, this is a powerful tool that allows you to manage all your website tags in one place, streamlining tracking and improving site performance. Google Tag Manager is a free tool from Google that enables you to easily add, edit, and manage tags, such as Google Ads, Google Analytics, and other third-party scripts, without needing to modify your website's code every time. Instead of adding each tracking code manually to your site, Google Tag Manager acts as a container that holds all of your tags. This centralized approach allows you to control every tag from the Tag Manager dashboard, minimizing the need for code changes on your website and making tracking setup more efficient. Imagine Google Tag Manager as a command center for all your tracking scripts. Whether you want to track page views, button clicks, form submissions, or custom events, GTM provides a user-friendly interface where you can manage every tag in one place, even if you have limited coding experience. Tag Manager offers several advantages that make it an essential tool for tracking conversions and optimizing your website's performance. Here's why Google Tag Manager is so valuable. With GTM, you simply place one container tag on your site, and from there, you can add and edit as many tags as you need. This setup streamlines tracking, reduces the chancing of coding errors, and saves you time when updating or creating new tags. By centralizing your tags within Tag Manager, you reduce the load on your website. Multiple tags can slow page loading times, which can impact user experience and SEO. GTM loads asynchronously, meaning it doesn't interfere with the loading of your main content, helping to improve site performance. With GTM, you can add, modify, and manage all tags without impacting the speed or functionality of your site. Google Tag Manager also supports far more than basic conversion tracking. With GTM, you can set up custom conversion tracking for actions like button clicks, video plays, form submissions, and even user scroll depth. This flexibility allows you to capture a wide range of interactions, giving you a fuller picture of user behavior and enabling deeper insights. GTM makes it easy to create and track custom events that align with your specific business goals. One of the major advantages of Tag Manager is that it simplifies the tag implementation process. For marketers or analysts without coding experience, GTM's interface is user-friendly, and many tag setups can be done without needing to modify the website's code directly. You don't have to rely on a developer every time you want to add a code or a new tag or adjust an existing one. This independence allows for quicker, more agile changes to tracking. GTM also includes a preview mode that allows you to test tags in real time without making them live. With this tool, you can ensure each tag is working correctly and tracking the intended actions before it's published. The built-in debugger shows which tags are firing and when, helping you quickly identify and resolve any issues, so you can confidently publish accurate tracking setups. Setting up Google Tag Manager involves creating a container tag that holds all of your other tags. This container tag is the only piece of GTM code that needs to be added to your website. Once installed, you can log into your GTM dashboard and start creating tags directly within Google Tag Manager. GTM uses three main components. The first is tags. Tags are the tracking codes or pixels you want to add to your site, such as Google Ads conversion tags, Google Analytics tags, and third-party pixels. In Tag Manager, you can add tags by selecting from pre-configured templates, or by adding custom HTML for non-Google tags. Tags are what allow you to track specific actions, events, or conversions. The next component is triggers. Triggers define when and where a tag should fire. For example, if you want to track form submissions, you would set a trigger to fire the tag whenever a form is submitted. Common triggers include page views, button clicks, time spent on page, and scroll depth. Triggers give you precise control over which user interactions will activate a tag, ensuring you capture exactly the data you need. And the final component is variables. Variables store additional information that tags and triggers can use to define tracking conditions. For example, you might use a variable to capture specific page URLs, user interactions, or form field data. Variables make your tags and triggers more flexible, enabling more detailed tracking and customization. Together, these three components allow you to create sophisticated tracking setups with ease, capturing a broad range of user interaction to support data-driven decision-making. GTM is a highly versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tracking purposes. By setting up triggers for specific actions, such as purchases or form submissions, you can easily track conversions and attribute them to your ads. Your tracking can be as sophisticated as you would like it to be. Implementing event tracking goes beyond standard page views to capture specific actions on your website, like video plays, download button clicks, or user scroll depth. GTM's triggers allow you to set up custom event tracking based on what matters most to your business. By adding remarketing tags, you can build audiences based on user behavior and interactions on your site. GTM lets you define specific criteria for remarketing lists, such as users who visited a product page but didn't make a purchase, or maybe somebody who watched 30 seconds of the video on your homepage. This enables you to serve tailored ads to audiences based on past behavior. For e-commerce sites, GTM can be used to implement enhanced e-commerce tracking, capturing data on product impressions, add to cart actions, purchases, and more. This data provides detailed insights into the user journey, helping you optimize for increased sales and revenue. If your business operates across multiple domains, GTM makes it easier to track users as they navigate from one site to another. Cross-domain tracking helps you maintain continuity in your tracking and gain a complete view of user behavior across all your digital assets.